caramel down. All right, come on.
Put my caramel down.
Hello, everyone.
Hey, guys.
We are here for the chicken nugget challenge again, round 2. But this time I got my lovely,
you're lovely
husband.
I'm lovely today,
Calvin.
Guys.
And we're going to attempt to.
Attempt to what?
Eat these chicken nuggets.
What is wrong with you?
I was asking him to move it
Guys,
back some so it
please
can be
forgive her.
seen.
She had a moment.
I'm sorry, y'all. I was just asking him to slide it back because I want to make sure y'all can see it. CJ, can you come slide the camera back a little bit more? I just want to make sure they can see us eat these nuggets.
Let us see them.
All right, right there. Okay. So Calvin has 20 nuggets and I have 20 nuggets. And our challenge is we're going to try to eat these nuggets.
I think it should be time.
You think it should be time?
Yeah. What's the time?
You got to get your phone to time.
Stop. Hey, go get my phone. I do it, please. Thank you.
So what we going to do, 10 minutes?
No, 10 minutes. No.
What?
We're going to see who can eat them in 5 minutes.
No, we ain't doing 5 minutes now. No, we ain't trying to get choked and go to the hospital.
You acting like this here and play the
We ain't trying to get choked and go to the hospital.
Yeah, this here and play the
this is my second time around, so I was like trying to get them down. No, we gonna get 10 minutes. We need 10 minutes. Everybody do 10 minutes.
She need 10 minutes.
Calvin.
A real.
Okay, well, guess what?
Life.
Guess what? We'll do 10 minutes, and if you do 5 minutes, then you automatically beat.
What?
Y'all, I'm drinking on.
You thought I didn't when I did?
My little drink.
Thank you, son.
Of choice.
All right.
Which is the white cranberry. Can I get some paper towels too, please?
Pepaper towels, please.
The cranberry, white cranberry peach drink. That's my favorite.
That's right. Speaking that French.
From Walmart.
Garçon.
What?
Garçon.
Garçon?
No, bro. You can tell who didn't take French in school.
What you saying? Do you know?
Yeah. I'm going to the timer.
Nah, I'm waiting for him to get the timer.
I'm going to the timer. See, let's see. Timer. All right. Nope. 5 minutes. Okay. Start.
All right. No, 10 minutes.
Why are you spitting on me? No, 10 minutes. Stop that. Keep your tongue in your mouth. Okay. Reset. 10 minutes. Who needs 10 minutes to eat?
Hello, everybody. We're here to do the chicken nugget challenge.
What's up, guys?
I have my drink, my 20 nuggets. This is the white cranberry peach drink. If you have not tried it, it's my favorite drink from Walmart.
She's got 20. I've got 20.
I got 20. He got 20. And he wants the timing. He wanted to do 5 minutes.
I want to do 5 minutes. She want to do 10 minutes.
I'm like, I'm not about to choke. I'm not about to choke. So, we going to do these. Go ahead.
I got the timer set. 10 minutes. It's set. Look. I had to start it. You ain't started
yet. Okay.
So when you say you're ready, I'm going to hit the start.
Ready.
All right.
And I have honey mustard and honey sauce that I'm using.
Sweet and sour for me.
Okay. Ready?
No, it's going. Guys, I'm a true chicken nuggets eater. I've been doing this for years. I ain't new to it. She's new to it.
Adanya did it last night. So if y'all have not watched my sister Adanya video.
That's right. Go back.
Last night she did it. And her channel is always in my description.
Always.
So check her chicken nugget challenge out.
Now they got a baby. Now they cheated on theirs. Her and Keith. And I know they hear me, but they got a baby that was kept slipping his hand in each one of their little stacks and stealing nuggets. So really, technically, they didn't eat as many as they say they did. But as you can see, if mine come over here and stick their hand in my nugget, I'm gonna probably bite their hand thinking it's one of the nuggets on my plate. That's how fast I'm eating mine.
Explain that. Don't say that on camera. He's just playing, y'all.
I ain't playing. This shit I ain't playing. I'm a nugget eater. How come I gonna challenge me about eating a nugget? Drinking that good old cold Sprite.
I already know I'm gonna win.
Well, who you gonna give yours to?
Me eating myself.
Oh, okay. She already know she's gonna win, CJ.
What are those for?
Don't do that. Don't worry about that.
You think that's gonna shake him down?
What, you thought it wouldn't win the wood? Anyway, I'm catching stuff. Whatever comes flying by my mouth, I'm catching that, eating it too.
Y'all, if y'all see him slip one down there, y'all let me know.
What? Really?
Mm-hmm. I can't mess with you all this drinking while we eating. We done get full.
I thought you didn't want to get choked. How many you eat?
I don't know. I ain't even count.
You better count them.
I'll count them at the end.
Count them now. I need to know where you at.
You want me to take a couple of minutes to...
It's gonna take you a couple minutes to count a little bit of nugget. What school you want to do? Got mine, don't worry about it. Don't step in it.
The one you said want to.
I'll ask your mama later.
Yeah.
Y'all, I'll tell you what. These are some really good chicken nuggets. I ain't never had to do chicken
When I
nuggets.
got back home, he had to put his in the air fryer.
Don't worry about that. Only because she kept hers warm in the truck and had mine hang out the window driving. It was ice cold.
Really?
Yeah. She had hers right on top of the heater. Piping hot. Steam was still coming from hers when she came in there. Mine over there with icicles on.
Icicles.
That's all I'm gonna tell you.
Ain't even no icicles outside.
That's how fast you been driving with her hang out the window.
You talking about 5 minutes. 5 minutes about to be up.
I'm taking my time with you.
I'm telling you now, ain't nobody going to no emergency room to try to see how to get that nugget stuck out your throat.
I'm taking no emergency room for that. You gonna get that nugget out my throat. You know how to do it.
Yeah, I'm already so
So
full.
guys at home watching this challenge, how about y'all set the timer? I mean, of course, if we got all day long, I could probably eat 100 nuggets all day long.
Lies.
All day long. But if you talking about...
But Calvin eat these little bit of nuggets. He ain't had nothing to eat since earlier today.
That ain't true. I don't eat 3 times a night.
We yeah.
You like to ask a lot of questions. Don't ask so many questions.
Don't tell him nothing.
I don't even understand that right
What?
here. No, you'll get them. You know what? I'm sorry, God. I'm gonna eat nuggets. I didn't know who got them good.
You trying to disrupt me. Disrupt me. You trying to interrupt me.
I'm not doing that. Not
What's the word
disrupting.
I'm trying to use?
I don't know. Second pack of sauce, guys.
Y'all, I'm so full.
She ain't full. Come on. You want to challenge me. Let's go. Let's get it. You want to take 10 minutes? We'll take 10 minutes.
These nuggets got me thirsty.
Let me tell you something now. I'm eating nuggets. I'm not eating hair.
My hair over here.
Your hair on me. Your hair in the sauce. Stop that.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Yeah, it'd be fine if it was just on me. What? What that?
I'm so sorry.
One more nugget. How I'm gonna do a hot nugget challenge that got these hair?
How many nuggets you got left, Calvin?
4.
No, you don't. You got 5 nuggets left. Wait, I think I had some of your nuggets.
Yeah, I believe you did.
3, 6, 7, 8, 9. How I get 9?
Cause you ain't eating.
I've been doubling up my nuggets.
You been doubling them up.
Yeah.
So you had 40.
I was doing like this.
2 of them.
Yeah.
You must have done many of them like that.
I did all of them like that. Wait, slow down, Calvin. Calvin, you better slow down for you choke.
Choke me, nuggets.
Gonna be a
This is
carabasine.
a challenge.
A carabasine.
This is a challenge. Challenge.
You wanna?
This is a challenge.
Do you want what happened at Carrabba's happen?
I hope that don't happen to you no more. You made me drool. Stop.
Calvin got choked at Carrabba's and put up all his food at the table.
Okay. Is that what you want to talk about right now?
And then gonna leave me at the table with all this on the table
But you did
and
it.
run to the bathroom.
You did it. You passed gas at
Yeah,
the table. You made it happen to me.
That's not I ain't never been so embarrassed.
What you just did this morning? We just helped Callie with cause and effect, right? Right?
Oh, Jesus. Y'all, I was so embarrassed. I had to leave that lady a $20 tip. And I was sitting there trying to clean up as much as possible. I couldn't believe he did that.
Well, guys, we down to the last 50 seconds.
Calvin, what's that?
I don't know. I tell you what, it ain't. It ain't a plate full of nuggets like you got.
Slow down.
I'm slow down, all right.
How in the world?
I'm a nugget eater, son. How about you?
Calvin,
I eat them goddamn nuggets.
give me them nuggets out your pocket.
Mm-hmm.
Get them out your pocket.
Done, guys. Nugget challenge. Contest is over.
Y'all saw me eating 2 at a time. I don't know what the heck happened.
Look at her plate. Look at my plate. That's how you do a challenge.
Y'all, this didn't work good because I'm eating with 1 tooth. He eating with a whole mouthful.
You eat with 1 tooth.
You know, I go eat on this side.
What happened to your mouth? You mouth been good
This
when you
side,
done.
I had to get them distracted out. Distracted. Is that the word? Extracted. What is the word?
What are you saying?
What is it? When you take them out? Extracted.
Extracted.
Extracted out.
But that's okay. Don't worry about that.
After I had my last baby. All right, y'all. We are back. Sorry about that.
Yeah, I started to run to the store and or to McDonald's and get another
No, it
20.
said my storage was
I
full,
started
so
to
I
run.
had to delete some stuff to come back.
I
But
started to run and get another 20. And
Calvin
finish
ate all
by the
of
time
his
she get
20
done.
nuggets. I ate 2, 4, 6.
You got 7 left, so you ate 13.
I ate 13 nuggets.
13 nuggets. She can't
Last
handle that.
time I had 15, and I wasn't even doubling up. I don't know. It's a conspiracy.
No conspiracy.
It's a
I'm sorry.
conspiracy. Somebody.
I didn't see the nugget hanging in the bowl, the little dip thing. She got 8 left, guys. She didn't eat for 12. You're not a chicken nugget eater. She's not a chicken nugget eater, guys.
Stop, you got me drooling. Okay.
Hey, she got one hanging in the dip thing like I ain't see that.
What?
Man, you don't bite off a little piece to make somebody think you don't eat that nugget. That whole nugget right there. Oh.
Count my nugget as a one that's eaten.
No, I'm not gonna count. You ain't eat it. The piece that's missing is right there. It's okay though, baby. You tried though. High five. You did a good job. You did a good job. Wait, look, we were challenged, right? And we did the challenge, right?
I'ma do a hot wing, not a hot wing. Yeah, a hot wing challenge.
We know who's gonna win that.
I'ma beat that one.
KFC hot wing? Mm-mm. Oh, well, you probably win that one.
No, Buffalo Wild Wings.
No, you'll win that one.
And I'ma win.
Yeah, you'll win that one.
So y'all, this is going to complete our chicken nugget challenge.
Yes, it will.
I ate all of mine. Calvin ate 13.
No, I ate 20. I ain't no 13, 20.
Calvin ate 13.
20. You ate 12. You want to say 13, you ate 12. She ate 12, guys. And
first of all, you could have let me win.
I thought you was gonna do a better job than that. I really thought you was gonna eat. You know what I'm saying? I've seen you in action. I know you can get down, but that right there, you know. Yeah, I guess chicken nuggets just ain't your thing.
I ate 15 the last time. I don't know what the heck going on now.
You're supposed to eat 20 tonight.
I know.
That's okay though, baby. Okay, you won.
Well,
you here doing the challenge, so you're a winner.
I'm gonna go and take my loss, but
I'm gonna go and run her a bath right now, and
it make me feel like a winner.
yeah, I'll turn the light down, light a candle.
Winner. I'm a winner. Chicken dinner.
No.
That's what Callie be saying.
You're a steak, mashed potato, and corn dinner. How about that? Not a chicken dinner. Chicken dinner, no.
All right, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and bring this to an end.
Bringing it to an end.
Oh! My shout outs. My shout outs.
Danya and Keith to do a time.
I want to thank. They knew what I meant. You always got to be correcting somebody.
They didn't see that.
I want to thank.
Look at them. Look. They didn't see that.
Do I need to cut the camera?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Please don't cut it off yet.
I want to thank. He knew what I meant. I want to thank B Loves Life for shouting us out to do the chicken nugget challenge. Then also we got shout out by First Lady. Thank you so much for thinking of us, and we did this chicken nugget challenge, and I represented. Calvin switch our plates, but I represented.
You represented what? Really? Oh Lord.
Also, I tagged Shanti's Lifestyle. My girl Shanti is going to do this challenge, and she's going to represent for us.
She going to represent?
She's going to represent.
Okay.
As well as my sister Adanya R. She didn't win, though. She was like me.
She didn't win?
My brother-in-law won. But, she did the challenge, and I want to thank Adanya R for doing the challenge. What I say? Think. Sorry, y'all. I want to thank y'all for doing the challenge. Mm-hmm. Also, Christy Lynn, she's going to do the challenge. If you have not already, her name will be in the description box. Please go over, subscribe to her, and watch her and her son do the challenge. Also, all of the names that I'm tagging, or people that I'm tagging, I'm going to put them in the description bar. Is it the bar or the box? Box. So, thank you for doing this challenge with me.
You're welcome, baby.
Even though the first time you didn't do it, but we ain't gonna talk about that. But we just gonna say thank you.
She's so extra, guys.
Tobacco Festival is this week.
I know.
Okay.
I pass that thing every morning.
Really? Mm-hmm. Okay, we going tomorrow. We gonna eat a bunch of kebabs tomorrow at the chicken festival, the tobacco festival. We gonna go and walk around.
You know, they're supposed to have like the dancing in the street thing tonight.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Gosh, you want to go?
No, I don't. You can go. Come on, I'll go with you.
Come on, let's go. All right, y'all. We're going to go to the Dancing in the Street Festival at the Tobacco Festival is this weekend in Lake City. So if y'all are local, y'all come and hang out at the Tobacco Festival. They have good food, this is off subject. This is off subject.
Yeah.
Chicken nugget challenge. All right, we done and we'll talk to y'all later.
Peace.